Tozama koko nomkhulisalo kwasendoda lesukoko bathini bathi mavula kuvele emzini wamadoda. You can judge me on this, that's fine. But I will stand by my statement. As broke as I am, now I want money. Now I have things that I want to achieve in life. There are causes that I still want to do while I'm still alive. There are some researches that I'm doing that requires money that I don't have, that I'm still looking for sponsorships. One of the projects that I'm embarking on is to do the cleansing on our national roads, your N3, your N4, your N2, your N1, for example, just to do a cleansing. Because, for example, on the way between Empangeni and Eskaweni, there's a place not far from the engine garage that on the same spot on N2, there's always an accident. When I say always, I mean most of the time there's an accident exactly at the same spot. But I'm not there. This video is not about the cleansing of the streets. Don't go to a healer and tell a healer ukuthi wena you want to bring usibani bani down. Then you want Muti to do that because you are competing with them. There's a guy that came to me and says to me, he wants to compete with DJ Sbu. He went abroad, he found an energy drink. They're willing to send it to bring it to South Africa, and he wants to push it. And he says, I was really interested in listening to him. He's a very smart guy. But when he said to me, I'm competing with, it's fine when he said, I want to compete with More Fire. It's okay. It's okay. But to me, it was supposed to end there. And then so that we do our thing. But he says, I want to bring DJ Sbu down. So now you want to compete with him of I. Then you want to bring DJ Sbu down. But DJ Sbu down, how? Because DJ Sbu is his brand, it's his baby that is pushing. Whether you want to come up with your stories, who's behind him and everything, most of us, there are people that are behind us. Most of the richest people, there are people that are behind them. Just focus on what you are going to need, and that's it.